Peter Memusi maena chich mitudo kod ng'ado lweto bila e kadak maduka moja e dwe mar achiel tarik 17 e kinde ng'anyo ma Suswa kwayo doho mondo duok chien omenda mar rambun kowuok e $500,000 nyaka $300,000 e kinde mane chwale e doho e tielo mar ariyo. Okil mare Soyinka Lempa nokwayo doho mondo timne anyuola mare ng'uono kendo migi rambun ma ginyalo chulo kaluwore na anyuola margi onge kod yuto manyalo chulo go omenda no. Okang' mosemiyo bedo e od ang'ech kuom thuolo ma dweche 7 sani.
No, the accused person has been in custody in the last seven months because the cash bail that was slapped on he can't raise. So therefore, if the prosecution wants this type of processes proceed, kindly reveals the cash bail of my client. We take a clear date.
The client has a right to supply with all documents the prosecution wishes to rely on, and for that reason, I order as follows: that the defense be provided with all the documents the prosecution wishes to rely on, and that the matter proceeds clearly known.
Wale wenye kondoa ama zile mifugo hawakulipwa fidia. So tumefika hapo leo, bwana Memusi alishikwa. So tumefika hapo, tumeona vile hii kesi imekuwa ikiendelea, na pia tumeona pia yale ambayo yamefanyika. Wale watu ambao kuna watu wawili waliuawa pale Nairagi Ngare, lakini hatujaiona polisi yote mwenye amechukulia, mwenye ameshikwa ama amereport statement kulingana na